Sola, and I'm back with another Minecraft video. Today I'm going to be doing a coding video since I haven't been doing it in a while. And today I'll be teaching you the hare program and the choptree program, okay? So, let me put down my master right there. And I'm going to be teaching the hare program because the farm tree program has hare in it. So hare is a module. You put it in other functions so you don't have to write hare over and over and over again. And hare chooses what slot you have on. So like let's say I have leather in here, and then I ask a hare to choose leather, and then it chooses the leather right there. So let's check hare. I mean edit hare, because hare doesn't do anything by itself. So this is function select item name. So it chooses the item name, like selects. And then for 1 to 16, that means from here to there. And the item equal total item detail is trying to get the details of what item it wants you to pick. And then total dot select slot. If it returns true, then it picks the leather. And then it ends. And then if it's false, well, it doesn't choose, like let's say I take leather out of here. It doesn't choose leather, and it just ends. And it returns false. And then there's also function select empty slot. And it chooses the empty slot where nothing is in it. Yeah, and that's basically it. And then if it's all the slots are filled, like let's say I fill all the slots with my arrows that I have right here, like that, then it'll return nothing because there's no empty slot. But if there is an empty slot, like there's like 5 empty slots right now, it's gonna return true, and it's gonna pick the empty slot. Okay. So I hope you basically get what I'm talking about. And yeah. So I'm going to save it and then exit. So I know I talked a bit about farm tree before, but farm tree is the combination of choptree and hare. So, well, there's a bit more to it, but so you know how choptree, you have to place down the turtle and then write choptree in it. Well, in farm tree, you're not going to have to do any of that. It just automatically gives you wood, and wood is a fuel to get your turtles moving. And also, you'll never run out of wood because you have infinite amount of wood because your turtles are working for you. So let me just show you choptree first. No, edit choptree. Sorry. I mean farm tree. Sorry. Okay. So, like I said, it's a combination of choptree and farm tree. So around the end part, it checks if the choptree program even exists, and then it downloads choptree into the program, so you don't have to write choptree all over again. And then it downloads hare too, and then like over here, it says os.load hare. And then I have to put saplings in there, or it'll run out of saplings, and saplings grow into oak trees, and if without the sapling you can't do anything. So, and then if it doesn't have enough saplings, it's gonna write error out of saplings, and it's gonna end. And if it goes the way you want it and there's still saplings left, it'll print planting and then plant it. And like this is when there's 2 lines, it means it's a note. So it doesn't actually do it, but it helps know what you're doing. So dye is the name idea for bone meal, and bone meal makes saplings grow faster, so it'll be in slot 2, and that's also why you need hare. So you can choose from you can change from bone meal to saplings, and saplings from bone meal. And then if it doesn't have enough dye or bone meal in Minecraft words, it'll return out of bone meal and end the program. If it does have enough bone meal though, it'll print using bone meal and then place the bone meal. And then if the tree's already grown, it'll do choptree. And you know how choptree goes forward, breaks the block, and then goes up to cut down the tree and then comes back down. So that's basically it. And then it'll run choptree like I just said before. And then it'll turn around to face the chest, which is total dot back, total dot left, left. And then it'll put all the logs into the chest. So it wouldn't just be in the total's inventory or just like come sporting out. And yeah, it'll drop the item in the chest and then it'll be in. Done. And then it'll face back to the tree and that's over. And that's farm tree. So you see the turtle right there? It just broke down the tree and now it's putting it all in the chest right there. And now it's planting it and now it's growing it. And now it's going down, cutting down the tree. And now it's putting it back in the chest again. And so it's cutting it down like again. So like that. And now it's coming down again. And now let's see how much progress it's done. So let me get out of here for a sec. And let me go to creative mode. Like that. And now let's see how much it's done. It's already got 26 oak logs. And you just saw it moving all by its own without me doing anything. Oh, now it's 30. So I hope you liked my video. Smash that like button and subscribe button, to keep up date with the stuff that I make. And bye-bye.